Foi chopa dano weng. Foi chopa Acholi matie Ulaya, Acholi matie Northern Uganda, Acholi matie Central, Acholi worldwide. Nye jino the champion. Ana bino ka doki lok. Madano te loko ne social media. Madano te loko ne kin gang. Madano te loko ne I district ma padi. Lok man ma ngero moni a mer ni na chel chi ero tamme kom ngero moni chi bine social media ero yeto ne cham ngwinya uloko tereo timo ngo without understanding me achel achwako NRM party 100%. Me ario we are in NRM primary election. Mark me very well. What is NRM primary election? Now, a primary election, candidates by NRM, bino katale, mineno flag bearer by NRM money. Me chung me bedo either MP unyo LC5. Now, my boss, like boss meko team, tika tale me bedo MP. Mapenduzi tika tale me bedo MP. Ogeri tika tale me bedo MP. This is primary election. This is politic. Politic te loge ni chono kuyu nyo toko ki widano wek ina ye kare. Ngoma weko ini ero dai koma. Hala ni chawa nini kampa boss make. Tindo kwa nini kampa mapenduzi. Kon loko tera kon timongo. Do you understand politics very well? Do you understand politics? NRM Majalo Party, we are not promoting hatred. Ket gina ni yadami. Ka unity kin gang kenyo mere. Itamoni we are promoting a bloody politic ma. Ngeromo miero bet kit keji chwin le wore madung romo nek wadana neka pedo uwe kampa ngeromo. Pero team gino mon. Please, in bed ni kuno. Dano tia yetu, dano tia dano tia timo ngo. What is wrong? Wapeka neno, Nai Republic, but boss make, wapeka neno nga. Ini peka neno ne, but boss make tiga neno gi. Why do you carry the pain ma in pay, yeah? We are not saying Nai Republic. Ina ye pay neno ne, boss make tiga neno gi. Why is he not complaining? Why is he not complaining? Muna chuli money ma social media. You are the one causing problem to people. Ulogo ke kuno kwanyo mera chim ke texting yin la volo nyen la ming no mer pe kan kuno la ming kuno la volo kuno timongo. You are makonye peke. You are not on the ground. You are not a politician. You don't support NRM party. I understand Boss Mick more than you. Boss Mick is a true friend. Maneno ni politic umiero bet it must look like a real competition. That is Boss Mick. And in metia you don't know him. One any kai nena what tiri e kampa mapenduzi. Nena what tiri e kampa Boss Mick. Ngoma weko initamoni mapenduzi. Romo kwero wano nyo dek wandung kwiji mabedong mieno piwa uwa ikame. Kit chol chwinya ngoma weko wa an. I don't have any problem with mapenduzi. I don't have any problem with Boss Mick team. No, Mawera Acholi encouraging a bloody politic, a hatred. Moreover, we are the same NRM party. We are in the same ground. One family like NRM. Unity ada America wa kuja chero kuja tia we boranga konte timo boranga acham ngwinya konongo. What do you know about politics? Do you understand it down to going campaign chawan? Kay neno la member pa boss make money e kampa mapenduzi. In machalo ngat mangeo politic, what will you think? In machalo ngat mo doa politic, what would you think? Iti kin gang kuja iti nyer me iti lapu duk dano iti yerto dano, you don't know what people are doing. Yet dano, it's high time you start understanding politics better more. See before you dano la chen. How long you don't understand Bosmic very well. Bosmic better dano ma where politic better politic mi PM ki come. And that is very good. It looks a real competition. Right now, Wang Wang tie ikui me ba degla yibi. Why? Because of Bosmic. Bosmic well gino money nen chalo PM ki come. Ka in ngat madong pengeo politic, maiti wako kuja. Ibi tamo ni Bosmic deg mapenduzi to the extent maka unonge miergu donga doa. Nga mano tamo ni Bosmic romu bedulu rem gena gel barolanya. Nga mano tamo. Now in mano chona te wa Bosmic gil bar la volo ma ta la ming ma ta kono ngo mado weko gil barolanya ti genu donga togi gena ngagi. Pego yete, pego da. Now in neni iti miro ni wan wa donyi da, wan neni weng wa kadong Bosmic te logi kom ngero mon wan weng wa donyi ye ni wan dung wa deg mapenduzi wa deg ngo. That we wanna react. We have mind, please. We have seen a lot from Bosmic. In man made logi social media ni paying ngo ma wan te timone. Logi lab dogi kinyu, but we know what we are doing. Taka gen pa pay nyang mina machel. Taka nen ngero money tia da gen Bosmic. Nyo Bosmic tika da gen ngero money. In machalo ngen machok kere koni driver, koni bouncer, koni yina nga, koni yina tir, koni yina nga. Pay donyi loke nuni. Pay donyi da enuni. Taka donyi meni tap Bosmic da tiko da ne wengen ngete gidugu lurem. Look at a tooth. Look at KNPP, look at Amer, look at all those people. In they be done da mama in paying you. Bosmic give biro dugulu rem in a dongi. No yero dano, a team ngo, a chayo dano. I dongi laneni. Because Joe Madonna yetika loen. And machalo latina donye da eruni. Acholi mati social media work causing bloody politic. What they call bloody politic ma wonu tia encouraging. Wonu da mereke kunu eroka wando dugu on the ground kai no wana yeuti pige. Ngo ma weka na deg ma penduzi. Kon kai ni yini penbi ngo ma penduzi te mbara ma right ma wek andong pa o wai kam. Kido ngo ma right ma boss bi go timma. Ma wek wa tim ki mo ma raji kom Bosmic gino mo tie ite labu dogi mer Kenya ta pe ngeo wa gino mo ken mati atime. It is time for a joint campaign. Kay neno la member pa Bosmic money come money. It is a joint campaign. NRM promote peace. This is primary. Don't forget ne ka Bosmic go por kui. NRM still need Bosmic. Come up and do the porqui. NRM for Mero Mapenduzi. They are all one family. Why encourage a hatred in this primary election? Why? I'm the person who studied Bosmic very well in political agenda, mamege. Bosmic from bitu kui kit moiken. And nen chalu deg gerumon kit moiken. Gien ma Bosmic gien tika poka ye gen ma penduzi. Ena ya poka metam. Nino moma ana no ni geno beruka da gen Bosmic peke. Poka metam ni in pe team gini pe luak kono ana ye mi a team. That is poka matie da mo peke. So in the mete e kel dano ni weng out ma penduzi la volo kono ngam la volo kono ngam. imiro encouraging violence kin dano pengo. That is not what is expected out of NRM party. Don't forget ni kama penduzi ukaro kui. The same boss me go team miro bit kui kima penduzi as NRM party mabalizer. Ka boss me go karo kui. The same ma penduzi miro ting luake weo me bot boss me go team. Ena yekita NRM tiu kwede. Acholi mete ginu mo ko nen chalo da chalo luen chalo ginu mo makonye peke. I hate that nonsense. Ngero mo kan mo biro ka yerta social media yerra kun no ngeo ni wi ti matuolo ani ngeo ngo ma iti wacho ne. Cham winya kon tim ngo. You don't know what you say. You don't know totally. I was not happy. Some people are typing paying all kind. You boss be paying all kind. Kon tim ngo boss be paying all kind. What do you mean? We are teaching a new generation on politics. NRM party, peke mero charge, peke mero tele, peke mero da. We promote peace. And this primary deserve peace more than violence. Kekere andong wandong lu member mo bati kampa boss me wa baleo ke ba penduzi apenyu wi ni no abale penga no ana balle ke ma penduzi ni penga kon ine no ni no ini balle ke ma penduzi ni penga o timingo kani ana penyi so ke wek yer dano bedo. That is my humble appeal to everyone. Ngerumo iken matie kitade mo kere keme kere derek ka pengeo politik mat nyoka bang kuon bed mot pebere yer dano loke wenge na fo